Tonight I'm making polenta fries for my family. These are so delicious. Our family really loves these polenta fries. All I do is I take a tube of organic polenta, I slice it into long, thin wedges like you see here, and then I put some toppings on it. Our favorite toppings are olive oil. I'm gonna use this Trend Plain oil spray. See how easily this actually works when you spray olive oil on instead of trying to pour a bunch of olive oil out of a big bottle. I love using this, and it's glass too, so it's not plastic, and it also has a pour spout option here, so you can see how that goes if you really wanted to pour olive oil. But I love that I'm able to spray olive oil. I'm saving so much money on not buying cans of spray oil because oftentimes spray oil cans actually have other toxic chemicals in them. So I just poured my organic Madhava oil in here, and that's it. Then for seasoning, I'm just gonna sprinkle some of this micro ingredients nutritional yeast. If you've never used nutritional yeast before, this actually gives it a really delicious cheesy flavor. It's totally dairy free, but the reason why I actually add this to a lot of my recipes is because this actually packs a lot of plant-based protein, and it has B vitamins. So a lot of people are actually vitamin deficient, and this is actually a really good way to get B vitamins into your diet, as well as iron and protein. So definitely check out the nutrition facts for more information from the micro ingredients nutritional yeast. And then I like to add some of this smoked paprika on top. This is so good. I just sprinkle it right on top. And then I'm gonna use my little pop container filled with Redmond's Real Salt. Redmond's Real Salt is packed with really natural minerals. It's a sea salt from Utah that's like from an ancient seabed. So this doesn't have any of the microplastics in it that are in, a lot of times in sea salts that are harvested directly from the ocean these days. So I'm just gonna take this, toss these around in this coating like that. Make sure that they're coated on both sides. And then I'm gonna bake these in the oven at 425 degrees Fahrenheit until they're nice and toasty and starting to crisp up. We like them to be a little bit browned, and then that's it. These are so good. I like to dip them in mayonnaise. I have a really good vegan Follow Your Heart mayonnaise that I use. And then we also like them in ketchup, just like you would do probably for potato fries. But I'm trying not to eat too many potatoes these days because I'm trying not to. So instead I'm eating corn, which is this polenta. All right, so now that these are coated, I want to spread them out a little bit. I'm using this parchment paper to line my baking sheet here. I recently purchased this from Amazon. This is the Smart Take brand unbleached parchment paper. It comes with 200 pieces in this pack, and it goes up to 450 degrees, and it fits perfectly in my baking sheet. So this is why I love this, because I got so sick of tearing sheets off of a roll of parchment paper. It is probably easier to store a roll of parchment paper. I do store one right there, but these are, I actually just keep these on top of my baking sheets right there, and then they're easy to store and easy to put on my baking sheet. So I'll show you what these look like when they're all finished cooking. All right, our polenta fries are done. They're nice and cooked on both sides. Look at that. These are going to be so delicious with dinner. And this Smart Take parchment paper worked really good. It didn't burn, and it kept my baking sheet from getting too messy. I love that I don't have to do a whole bunch of scrubbing when I use parchment paper. Well, I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you found this useful, and I hope that you subscribe to my channel for more cooking tips and tricks. My name is Veronica. I'm a former professional chef turned homemaker, and I love sharing my recipes and cooking tutorials using a bunch of different cooking tools that I purchase on Amazon. Be sure to check out my Amazon storefront, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.